Welcome, everybody. We are going to start with grade 1 math lesson, and it is addition and subtraction. So, are you all ready? Let's get started. This session is by Profus Academy, and I am so happy to see you all here, and I welcome everybody who are watching this video. I hope this session of addition and subtraction is useful for all of you. Okay, let's get started. So we are going to start with a fun lesson on how to add and subtract numbers. But सबसे पहले हमारे mind में question आ रहा है, what is addition? So addition is combining two or more numbers. So when we add, when we join two or more numbers, we get a bigger number. Let's take an example. You have one toffee and I give you one more toffee. So now you have how many toffees? One or two? You can select one or two. Of course, it's two because you already had one and I gave you one more. Now the toffees you have are two toffees. So we are adding two numbers here. 1 plus 1. There is one more example. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Now how it is possible? ये कैसे हुआ? आपके पास दो टॉफीज हैं and मैंने आपको 3 और दी. Now let's count it on our fingers. Everybody अपने 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 राइट हैंड को ऊपर करो, उसमें आप 2 fingers शो करो. Very good. I hope आपने 2 fingers शो करी हैं and then you add 3 more fingers. आप 3 more fingers को ऊपर करो and now you count all the fingers and then you have to give me a high five because 2 plus 3 is 5. All right, let's learn what are the parts of addition. Now we can see there are two parts. So we have 2 and 3. Now what do we call it? We call it addend. Addend. So there are two parts of addition. ये प्लस साइन के दो पार्ट्स होते हैं. एक नंबर हम लेफ्ट में लिखते हैं, एक हम राइट में लिखते हैं. एंड व्हेन वी जॉइन देम, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस प्लस साइन? इसका मीनिंग है हमने ज्वाइन करना है. सो 2 प्लस 3, हमने 2 टॉफीज ली. सो टॉफी 1, टॉफी 2, उसमें हमने 3 टॉफीज ऐड कर दी. टॉफी 1, 2, 3. So 2 toffees and 3 toffees will give you 5 toffees. And ये जो 5 है, इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? We call it the total. So let's try some questions, okay? 1 plus 1. What is going to give us 1 plus 1? 2. 2 plus 3. So 2 toffees plus 3 toffees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 makes 5. 4 plus 2. Let's start with a smiley. So I have 4 smileys. 1 smiley, 2 smiley, 3 smiley, 4 smiley. अब मेरे पास 4 स्माइलीज हैं. But I want more smileys. So I will use plus sign. And I will add two more smileys. Smiley number 1 and smiley number 2. And now the total, the sum, it gives me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 plus 2 is 6. Now this is the question I want all of you to do. You have 5 chocolates. Chocolate 1, chocolate 2, chocolate number 3, chocolate number 4, chocolate number 5. And I give you nothing. I gave you 0. So you will remain with 5 chocolates. Rest of the questions you have to try. 3 plus 1. Absolutely, it's 4. 2 plus 2. So 2 smileys. Then I add 2 more smileys. I get total 4 smileys. So 2 plus 2 is 4. Let me just rub a couple of things here so that it becomes easy for all of us to understand. Let's try a couple of more questions and with some more good examples. Okay, here we go. 6 plus 1. I have 6 chocolates. Chocolate 1, chocolate 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So many chocolates. I use plus sign to add. I am adding one more chocolate. So 6 and then one more will give me 7. So 6 plus 1 is 7. Now you have 0, but I give you 4. So 0 plus 4 gives me 4. Let's try a bigger number. But first, let me erase this so that I have space to use bigger numbers. 3 plus 5. Now what it is? Let's imagine I give you 3. What can we use? Let's start with pens. So I give you 3 pens. Pen, pen number 1, 2, and 3. But none of these pens are working. So you ask me to give you more pens. हम इसमें 4 more pens add करेंगे. So let's draw 4 pens. Pen 1, pen 2, pen 3, pen 4. So the 3 pens are not working. But the 4 pens that I gave you are working. So total how many pens? 3, and then you add 4 in it, which comes to 7 pens. 7 is the sum and the total. You can also say it sum or total. You had 3 pens, then I gave you 4 more, and the total comes to be 7. Let's try one more. Now I give you a hint here. 1 plus 6 again becomes 7. How is it possible? So you had 1 pen and it's not working. Let's use eraser again and let's try 1 plus 6. So you have 1 pen. and it's not working. So I gave you 6 pens, and you have to try which pen is working. And the best part is all 6 pens are working. So you already had 1 pen. आपके पास 1 pen already है. And उसमें हमने 6 pens और add कर दिए. So 1, show me again your finger. On your finger, show 1. And then keep uprising your fingers. You will get 6. So 6 plus 1 again brings you to 7. You have done it beautifully. Let's try some other questions. Are you up for the challenge? So question number 1. If you have 4 toys and you get 3 more, how many toy cars do you have in total? So we are going to divide this in 3 parts because we have 3 questions. And I am going to solve question 1 here. So I will write Q1, then I will write Q2, then I will write Q3. The question 1 says, if you have 4 toy cars. So toy cars, we all play with toy cars. When I was young, I used to play with a lot of cars. So 4 cars. Let's write 4 here. I know you all have your notebooks. If you have pen or your paper, write 4 on it. You can use any color of your choice. And then I gave you 3 more toy cars. So for add, we will use plus sign. And there are 3 more cars. So 4, let's draw 4 cars. Car 1, car 2, car 3, car 4. And then we make 3 more cars. Car number 1, car number 2, car number 3. And let's add them. Let's join them. And to join, we are using again our favorite plus sign. So 4 plus 3, 7. And 7 is the total, the sum. Let's try the question number 2 here. Sarah has 5 cookies. Yummy, delicious. And her friend gives her 2 more. Sarah has so many cookies. How is she going to eat so many cookies? 5 cookies. We again use our favorite sign. Addition, add, joining, whatever you call it. And we add 2 more. So let's draw 5 cookies now. Cookie 1, cookie 2, cookie 3, cookie 4, cookie 5. How about we draw some smileys on it? Cookie number 1 is looking very cute. Look at cookie number 3. And finally, I gave you 2 more cookies. Let's say they are chocolate cookies. So we will add 2 more cookies here. So 5 and then 2 more. You can use your fingers. On your left hand, I want you to show 5 fingers. All 5 fingers rising up. And then on the right hand, only 2 fingers rising up. So how many fingers are rising up? 7. So 5 plus 2 again gives us 7. And 7 is the total or the sum. Let's try to solve question number 3. Everyone together. There are 6 birds sitting on a tree. Beautiful birds. There are 2 more birds joining them. So six are already on the tree. They're sitting very quietly, not chirruping, not making any noise. But the two more birds join them and they like to talk a lot. Let's see how many birds we have on the tree now. So six birds. One, two, three, four, five, six. Six birds are joined with two more birds. So 6 plus 2 gives us 8. So we have 8 birds now on the tree. Let's try more examples. But let me tell you, these are some difficult questions. And that is why I am saying try till you succeed. Again, I will draw 3 bars here so that we can solve 3 questions together. Question 1, Q1, Q2, and finally Q3. Let me try using a different color. How about we use blue color here now? If you have 12 marbles. Now this is a different question. So हम इसको different तरीके से लिखेंगे. Everyone on your notebook, we will write 12 and you find 7 more. We are using more here. More मतलब हमने उसमें और add किया. Add मतलब हमने join करा. So 12, we will make our favorite sign here, which is add, join, more. That means we will have a bigger number. We will have more marbles. Add and we will write 7. So 7 कहाँ लिखूं मैं? 1 के नीचे लिखूं या 2 के नीचे लिखूं? Let's write 7 under 2. And now let's add it. So we have already done 2 plus 7. You have 2 chocolates. I give you 7. So it comes to be 9. So we will write 9 here. But what about this one? We will write 1 as it is. It becomes 19. So you already have 12 marbles. I give you 7 more. So we have a bigger number and that is 19 marbles. So many marbles. So we have 19 all together. Let's try question number 2 here. There are 15 flowers in a garden. We will again write 15. And if 6 more flowers bloom, there are more flowers in the garden. Fresh, beautiful, colorful flowers. So again, we will write 6 under 5 because that's the first number we have. And we are going to use plus, our favorite sign. Let's try adding numbers. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 6 and then you add more in it because there are more flowers. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we will write 11. But what shall I do now? Shall I write 11 here? We will write 1 and 1 goes here. And let me just put a big circle on it. So we get 1 plus 1 as 2. Let's try adding it here in a different way. So it becomes easy for you to understand. Let me write 15 in a different way. My bars are ready. 15 flowers plus 6 flowers. 16th flower, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. So we write a bigger number on the top and then we can write smaller number at the bottom. But here I am using the drawing. So we have 6 flowers, and if 15 is added with 6, the total flowers we have are 21 flowers. Let's try difficult question again. A toy store has 9 teddy bears and receives a shipment of 8 more. We write the bigger number first and then we write the smaller number. Why I wrote 9? पहले मैंने 9 क्यों लिखा है? क्योंकि 9 is a bigger number and then 8 is a smaller number. So 8 I'm going to write as a second number. So 9 and 8. Let's try to draw something. So we have 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then 9 teddy bears are added with 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Let's try to count the top ones and the bottom ones. पहले हम ऊपर काउंट करेंगे फिर हम नीचे काउंट करेंगे. So ऊपर हमारे पास क्या है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 9 plus 8 gives us 17 teddy bears. So many teddy bears. You've done beautifully. Let's try more questions. I will also give some of the homework once you are done with these questions. We can also try with something different, and that is, what is subtraction? क्या है subtraction? So subtraction is taking away. Addition में हमने क्या किया? हमने join करा. लेकिन subtraction में हम क्या कर रहे हैं? हम अलग कर रहे हैं. We are taking it away. One number from another to get a smaller number. So हमें कभी भी subtraction में big number नहीं मिलेगा because we are not joining. जब हम अलग करते हैं, so we always lose. But in addition, we always win because we get a bigger number. So subtraction will tend to lose. इसका एक example देखते हैं. 5 chocolates are there. So let's say my friend's name is Avni and Avni has 5 chocolates. She is very rich. She has 5 chocolates. But I also want some chocolates. So I asked her to give me 2 chocolates. Let's see how many chocolates are left with Avni. Let's draw the chocolates. Chocolate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yummy, delicious chocolates. But why Avni has 5 chocolates? I want 2 chocolates. I asked Avni to give me 2. And she said yes. So she is going to take away her 2 chocolates and give me 2. So how many she is left with? She's left with 3 chocolates because she gave me her 2 chocolates. तो हमने यहाँ कौन सा साइन यूज करा है? We are using minus sign. हम यहाँ add नहीं कर रहे, हम यहाँ join नहीं कर रहे, यहाँ more number नहीं है, यहाँ bigger number नहीं है, यहाँ smaller number है. Because I have taken away 2 numbers from 5. Bigger number में से smaller number हमने निकाला और हमें क्या मिला? हमें 3 मिला. Let's try more examples. See, there are 5 eggs And from 5 eggs, I take away 3 eggs. Now this is different. पहले हमने क्या किया? हमने 5 चॉकलेट्स में से 2 चॉकलेट्स टेक अवे करी. अभी हमने क्या करना है? हमने 5 eggs में से 3 eggs टेक अवे करने हैं. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I take away 3. So we are left with just 2 of the eggs. This is subtraction because we are getting smaller and smaller number. So in addition, we get bigger number. In subtraction, we get smaller number. Let's try these questions. Again, I'm going to draw the 3 bars, but let's try different color. Which color shall I use? Let's use green color. So question 1, 2, and 3. Q1, Q2, Q3. Everybody on your notebooks. If you have 5 apples, now let's draw apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you eat 2 of them. Let's use red color because apples are red in color. So how many are left? Because 2 you have eaten. So how many are left? You're just left with 3 apples. So we had 5. हमने 5 में से 2 apples को खा लिया. So हमारे पास कितने apples बचे? How many are remaining? How many are left? Just 3 of them. Let's try the second question. There are 7 birds on a tree. Bird 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 3 birds fly away. So 3 are no more sitting on the tree. They are flying. So how many are sitting on the tree? How many are still there on the tree? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 7 birds were there and we are taking away 3 birds because they flew. वो उड़ गए. So 7 birds में से 3 birds उड़ गए. हमारे पास कितने birds हैं जो tree पे अभी तक हैं and they are not flying? We are left with 4 birds. Let's try the third question. You have 10 balloons. We all celebrate birthdays, right? And we love birthdays. And there are so many balloons and party poppers and birthday cake. यहाँ पर 10 balloons हैं. Let's draw balloons. Balloon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And out of 10, what happened? 4 of them just pop. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many we have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There were 10 balloons, big balloons. But I have taken away 4 of them. They are popped. So we are just left with a smaller number because we are taking away the number. We are doing subtraction. We are not adding, not joining. So we are just left with 6 of them. You're doing very, very good. Let's try some more. Let's go. 10 minus 5. I want all of you to solve it. You can draw 10 apples, 10 chocolates or 10 balloons and take away 5 from them. We will be left with just 5. 20 minus 8. Now how shall we do it? There are 20 balloons. Come on, let's draw it and let's get our answer. I'm going to do the difficult ones here, but the easy ones you have to do on your own. Let's draw 20 balloons. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oops, I forgot the line. Let me just draw the thread. It should look like balloon. I know my drawing is not that good, but please don't laugh. Okay, out of 20 balloons, 8 are just popped. There are no more balloons, so let's cut 8 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are just left with these balloons. So we again get a smaller number. We had so many balloons, but 8 of them are no more balloons. They are popped. So we are left with, हमारे पास एक smaller number आ गया. अब हमें वो smaller number को count करना है. जल्दी से count कर लेते हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We are just left with 12 balloons. So हमारे पास 20 balloons थे. So many. उसमें से हमने 8 को subtract करा. And we use losing sign. This is called the losing sign. क्योंकि हम इसमें कम कर रहे हैं, हम निकाल रहे हैं. So निकालना is what? निकालना is subtraction. जोड़ना, add करना is addition. So we get what? We get 12 balloons. Rest of the questions I want all of you to do and keep practicing, because of course it's very important to keep practicing. एक और क्वेश्चन को यहाँ सॉल्व करेंगे and then that's it. You will get your homeworks. Practice, practice, practice. Practice is the key. Let's try one more. Okay, which one you want me to try? Maybe you can comment down and you can let me know. Okay, let's try the difficult one. How about we try 20 minus 11? Oh, I again have to draw balloons, but this time let's use apples. So we are using 20 minus 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now out of 20, we have just left with a very small number, because 11 of the apples are eaten away. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we are just left with these many apples. Let's count of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We are just left with 9. Again, we have a smaller number. So addition, bigger number. Subtraction, smaller number. In the next activity, we will practice more and more questions. Until then, you all take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Let's practice math. Let's master math with Profus, with great tips and tricks for easy problem solving. All the best to everybody. For any questions, you can call on the number below or you can email us. Thank you.